Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, mismo. Hi sa lahat ng Cancer. So today, ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 23 to 29. Okay. Habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyong lahat na Cancer na patuloy na sumusuporta at sumusubaybay sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po. Patuloy niyo pong supportahan by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. And comment na rin kung mag-resonate. At sa mga bagong nakasubaybay, sana subscribe na po sa aking channel para updated din kayo sa mga post kong videos. Thank you very much. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 2 cards from this deck that will be the overall energy ng reading ninyo. Okay, tapos interpret natin siya later on using the other deck. I mean, more details. So, let's see. Simulan na natin. I'll take the third card dahil March ngayon. Time flies, no? The-end ng first quarter of the year. Okay, so first card is King of Pentacles. And then Page of Swords. Okay. So, this week, your overall energy is there's so much of abundance and faithfulness between you and your person. Okay, nakita ko dito na very loyal tong tao na to sa inyo. Sobrang pinaprovide niya yung mga needs mo. Mini-make sure niya or ina-ensure niya na yung mga needs mo ay nami-meet. Okay? And as seen here by the Page of Swords na it's growing. The relationship is really growing. Alam mo yun, parang may mga bagay na, alam mo yun, parang nasa, kahit matagal na kayong magkasama or in a relationship, parang there's still this curiosity na meron nung nagsisimula pa lang kayo to know you even more. Na, alam mo yun, parang, syempre, everyday life may mga experiences kayo outside the relationship, like for example, sa family, sa work. And itong person na to is someone that's curious what's going on with your life. Hindi siya yung parang, okay, kami na, kebs na. Parang ganun, walang ganun. So, this person is still more curious and still wanting to know what's going on with your life, everyday life, na outside the relationship. And sa relationship din, feeling ko, ito rin yung tao na parang kinakamusta ka, happy ka pa ba? Or ano pa bang gusto mo? Kasi nga, ito yung person, as I've mentioned, King of Pentacles, someone who wants to always provide yung mga needs mo. Gusto niya talaga ensure lagi na nami-meet niya yung mga needs mo. Kaya, yun, nagtatanong siya, kinakamusta ka niya, and it's a nice feeling. Oh, okay. Sige, tingnan natin. Ano yung, okay, detalye ng reading na to. At habang binabalasa ko to, again, as always, I would like to remind everyone that this is a collective reading. So, it may or may not resonate sa inyong lahat. Pag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Ibig lang sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading or panoorin nyo yung past videos na nagawa ko na, baka isa din mag-resonate dahil timeless naman talaga ang mga tarot and oracle read. And best pa rin to book a personal private reading. Nasa description box yung email address ko kasi doon naka-align o naka-tune in sa energy ninyo yung gagawin natin reading. So, inquire na. Magre-reply naman ako agad. Okay. So, bubunot ako ng 8 cards from here. Alamin natin bakit ito yung lumabas. Alright, first card. So, 4 of Cups. Second card, 2 of Swords. Third card, Five of Swords. Two na naman. Two of Coins. Fifth card, Four of Swords. 4-4-2-2. Sixth card, Knight of Cups. Seventh, Strength card. And last, Five of Wands. Okay, 4-4-2-2-5-5. So, pwedeng nakikita nyo tong mga numbers na to. Yeah, kasi umulit-ulit siya. 4-4-2-2-5-5. Okay. And bottom of the deck, 7 of Wands. So, this is the energy that you don't see coming. Okay, ang nakita ko dito, alright, so, di ba, parang kanina overall energy is, ito yung tao na gusto niyang i-provide lagi yung needs mo, na make sure na namimit yung needs mo, and still curious sa'yo. Ang nakita kong dito kasi, in the past, ito biglang nag-download lang sa akin. And, ang nakita ko dito, yung person mo in the past kasi, naging neglectful siya. Okay? Nagkaroon siya kaya siya ganito towards you, which is good, diba? It's a realization, and nag-mature na tong person ninyo, just to show na nag-mature na yung person ninyo. Kasi, ang nakikita ko dito, kaya siya ganyan din. Diba? Minsan kasi, diba, tayo, ang nakikita natin na parang, ang kulit naman ito, tanong ng tanong, kamusta ng kamusta, diba? Parang, pero minsan, gusto lang talaga nitong i-provide and ma-meet yung needs mo. Okay? Na, to the point nga din na baka nagiging over give siya, over compensate, over provide. Parang minsan, kasi ang niya is may fear siya na parang hindi niya mabigay yung need mo. Tas, iwanan mo siya. May ganun akong nasasagap na energy. Bakit? Kasi itong person na to, in the past, naging neglectful siya, or he or she took yung partner niya, previous relationship niya, for granted. Okay? And dito, so nagkaroon ng ending, and medyo in denial siya na parang siya yung naging cause noon. So, that's why now, parang out of fear na mangyari yun ulit. Okay? So, as in here, lalo na si Five of Swords, out of fear na magkaroon ng conflict, regrets, di ba? Ayaw niyang gawin niya. So, mas ngayon naman, mini-make sure nga niya na nabibigay yung needs mo. And as shown here by the Two of Coins here, it's him or her adapting to the new relationship din. Diba? And yung may mga choices talaga siya. Before, may mga wrong choices siya na in this relationship, ginagawa niya na paraan, mini-make sure niya na tama na yung mga choices niya. Kasi, here, it's really him trying to parang redeem and recover from what happened in the past. Kaya ito yung nagiging manifestation, or yung paano niya ginagawa yung role niya sa relationship ninyo. Okay. And dito sa Knight of Cups kasi, it's may unexpected gesture siyang gagawin. Something a surprise na parang like similar to the energy, pwedeng proposal, pero something na parang this person would want na mag-move na kayo to the next level in the relationship. Okay? And mahal ka nitong tao na to the point nga talaga na may mga fears lang siya before. na ayaw na niya mangyari sa relationship ninyo. And dito, now, he or she is really more confident and courageous when it comes to providing what you need. Kasi here, ito, ayaw niya ng another conflict in the relationship as seen here by the 5 of Wands na yung before na mga incompatibilities niya or nangyari in the past, possible yung mga tension, yung mga wrongdoings na ginawa niya in the past, ayaw niyang mag-reflect or mag-manifest or paano ba, mangyari dun sa connection ninyo. And what you don't see coming talaga is here, 7 of Wands, which is overcoming naman na yung challenge na yun. Kaya, and 7 of Wands is also a card of protection. Kasi parang yung being protective in a way na yung because gusto niya protektahan yung sarili niya from being hurt. Diba? Na yun nga, nakwento ko yung reason why. So, mas nagiging siya, mas nagiging overgiver siya, overcompensating. In a way na for me naman is, again, you have to see naman bakit. Kasi baka ikaw parang, baka todo-todo naman to. Pero, tingnan mo yung pinanggagalingan. Alright, sige. Tingnan natin yung overall advice ng universalis in this oracle deck. So, bubunot ako ng isang card to just seal the reading. Tingnan natin anong advice ni universe sa inyo about this. Okay, luck. Okay. Right, so, good luck. Ito naman, you're lucky. Sinasabi ko naman sa'yo na you're lucky na yung person mo ngayon is someone na mas self-aware na sa mga nagawa niya din in the past. Kaya ngayon, pero mas mindful na siya. Mas mindful na siya sa pag-navigate at sa mga ginagawa niya sa relationship. So, yeah, then just embrace this lucky person in your life. Okay, so abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Ako pala si Mystico Moreno. In short mismo, kita-kits. Ingat.